What is up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Today we're going to work on the boat again. It's time to get that SternDrive rebuilt. So let's get our hands dirty and rebuild that SternDrive. We have an Alpha Gen 2 SternDrive, which are, if I'm correct, from 1996 on. We bought this SternDrive with broken seals, so that's something that we're going to try to fix. So we're going to take the upper part all apart and change out the seal. And make sure that those needles don't fall out of the bearing. Make sure to buy this Mercruiser Tool. It's only like 15 to 20 bucks. Because if you're going to hit it with a hammer and screwdriver, you will mess up the nut, and it's very expensive and hard to get. And make sure to apply some Loctite on the seals, because due to corrosion it might be that there's some room where it's easy to get leaks from, so you want to apply some Loctite so it's sealed up. We will leave this case overnight so the Loctite can dry and we have no leaks in the future. In the meantime, we're going to disassemble the lower case. Okay, so it's the next day. We let the Loctite dry overnight. So now it's time to assemble everything back together and throw it in the housing as well. By the way, guys, if you're reinstalling the bearings, also make sure that you buy a new washer as well, because you need to torque this to 70 to 90 foot-pounds, and this ring will compress a lot then. Otherwise, all the play on the bearings will be off and you will get into a lot of trouble. Okay, so after waiting for a couple of weeks, we finally got our brand new impeller kit. This includes a new impeller, new rubber shaft, new housing, new rubbers, and new gaskets as well. Okay guys, so we got our SternDrive completely rebuilt. It's only missing some decals. But before we can install it on the boat, we're still struggling with our exhaust system. As you can see, our switchable exhaust is right here. And there's the outlet to the through-hole exhaust. But unfortunately it is in a very tight position. We already tried it with some silicone hoses. But unfortunately there's too much pressure on the hose. So which result in the valve being not completely straight with our risers. So that's something that we need to figure out. So there's plenty of things and plenty of struggles before we finally can get to the water. So if you want to see us out on the water sometime soon this season, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. And also make sure that those post notifications are on as well. As always, thanks for watching. Fingers crossed that we can hit the water soon, and hopefully see you guys in the next video.